Well, I know what you're thinking. They're just black and white squares. What's so scary about that? Well, hold on to your phones because we're about to explore the terrifying truth about QR codes that no one talks about. QR codes became a savior during the pandemic. We saw them everywhere, from menus to boarding passes. They're quick, convenient, and make our lives easier, right? But what if I told you that this new tool could also be a gateway to some serious trouble? Let's unravel the mystery. First up, the basic premise. QR codes are just links coded into a graphic. You scan and boom, you're directed to a website. Sounds easy enough. But what happens when technology meets a little bit of evil? Here's where it gets hairy. Cybercriminals can generate their own QR codes that lead to malicious websites designed to steal your personal data. Think you're checking out a new cafe menu? You could actually be giving away your email, passwords, even financial information. Shocking, right? You wouldn't just hand someone your phone with your bank details pulled up, but in a split second of scanning an untrusted QR code, you could be giving away your entire digital life. So, how can we protect ourselves from this digital trap? Tip number 1. Always check the URL after you scan. Does it look legitimate? Does the site seem professional or like it was made in 1999? If it feels off, just hit that back button. Also, avoid logging into sensitive accounts through QR code links. Just don't do it. Tip number 2. Stick to known sources. If you're at a restaurant, look for signs that the QR code is official. And never scan codes that are randomly placed or that look like they've been tampered with. Criminals can print fake stickers and cover the legit ones. Just last month, there were reports of QR codes popping up in public places that led people to phishing sites. Someone sat there, watching, waiting, and replacing good code with bad, all for a shot at your private details. Here's the final twist in our story. We're not just talking about financial theft. Some hackers can use QR codes to install malware on your phone, turning your device into a tool for their own dark purposes. Think about it. Your phone could end up in a stranger's hands. They could track your location, access your contacts, or even engage in identity theft. Don't panic just yet. QR codes can still be a safe and useful tool if you play it smart. Use reputable apps and services to scan them, and keep your phone's software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Now that you've got the scoop on QR codes, let's make sure we stay informed and safe while using this technology. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below sharing your craziest QR code experience.